Sponsored by Master Services.
Time right now to 6:19, and let's get a check of your forecast. Matt is joining us now. We talked about those rain showers we were getting on and off yesterday, day before. Yesterday, I got one at my house. It went from sunny to just gray, and then the skies opened up.
And that is going to be the case for this weekend as well. Now, that'll be on a widespread scale, but also some downpours will be around. There's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so that's why we can see some efficient rainfall rates. That's why rainfall totals are going to add up and why we have the elevated risk for some flash flooding as we head into the weekend. Today and tomorrow, a medium risk overall for the area. Still a low risk on Sunday, but moisture will start to decrease across the area. I think the greatest time frame to watch, the greatest risk in general, is Friday night, so tonight, through the day tomorrow, because we're going to just see several waves of rain roll through, and of course the totals will start to stack up across the area. Flood watches in effect for the entire area through Sunday evening. Most of us are dry right now. We have a lot of clouds across the area. A nice sunrise though here in Tellico Village. We've had a couple of isolated showers so far this morning, mainly to the north. That continues to push into the Tri-Cities. Most of us though are dry out the door this morning. That will change though over the next couple of hours. We'll start to see more widespread rain. We're in the 70s right now, 76 in Knoxville, with a sticky and tropical feel to greet you out the door. Expect the high humidity to remain through the weekend as well. Increasing rain chances, especially through this afternoon. This will be wave one of widespread heavy rain rolling through. There it is. It's back to the west. There will be some weakening here over the next couple of hours and then redevelopment through the afternoon. And then this is just going to be the theme. Waves of rain rolling in from the northwest really throughout the entire weekend. So this morning we've had a couple of showers. There's wave number one that rolls in this afternoon. So expect some afternoon and evening widespread rain at times and heavy rain as well. But there will be breaks in the rain coverage, and this helps illustrate it. So tonight there's a slight break for most of the area with us just a couple of lingering scattered showers. There's a lot of moisture, so we could see some development of showers and storms even over our area. There's wave number two overnight into early tomorrow morning. Wave number three forms. That'll be in place for the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Wave number four of heavy rain will come in Saturday night into early Sunday. Off and on periods of rain, all at times, really throughout the entire weekend. Now, we are going to see rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches of rain, some locally higher amounts though. That's what we have to watch for the areas of flash flooding. So to recap, multiple waves of heavy rain are on the way through the weekend. A medium threat for flash flooding overall with the greatest risk tonight through the night on Saturday. A low risk for damaging winds as well. As some of these complexes of storms roll through, especially the ones that line up during the afternoon and evening, we could see enough energy to produce some strong winds of around 60 miles per hour. On a scale of 5, it's a level 1 out of 5 for the area, but this risk will be in place really throughout the entire weekend as well. But still thinking it's mainly afternoon and evening because, of course, that will line up with the peak heating of the day, so we'll have more energy available for a storm to strengthen up. Low risk overall. Greatest concern is the threat for flooding. For today, we top out in the 80s, but it will feel like the 90s. Into the weekend, we hold in the 80s, waves of showers and storms through the day tomorrow. It looks very soggy for Saturday. Just be ready to adjust outdoor plans accordingly. Additional storms on Sunday. Likely we'll wake up to some rain and then have more scattered activity develop into the afternoon and evening. Now, rain chances will start to diminish into early next week. We start to lose out on the moisture. It looks dry middle of next week. The pattern's changing across the part of really most of the country. Area of high pressure across the north central plains. That's going to really crank up the heat there, but that helps lower our rain chances. Instead of dealing with oppressive heat and humidity, we're really just getting back closer to average. Upper 80s and low 90s middle of next week, we'll get back to some sunshine as well. Before we get there, we have waves of heavy rain on the way. It will be unsettled this weekend, and watch out for areas of localized flash flooding.